Pi network is on fire. A jaw-dropping 108% price pump in just 24 hours, with a trading volume of $79.84 million. Is this the moment Pi holders have been waiting for? Or is this just the beginning of something even bigger? Stay tuned as we break it all down. If you're new here, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss out on the latest updates in the crypto world. We cover everything from market trends to deep dives into emerging projects, helping you stay informed and ahead of the game. Pi Network's price explosion. What's really happening? Today, we're diving deep into one of the hottest topics in crypto right now, the Pi Network's massive price surge. If you've been following the market, you've probably seen Pi Network making headlines with its unexpected price movements. But what's really driving this surge? Is it real demand, speculation, or something else happening behind the scenes? In this video, we'll break it all down. The key factors pushing Pi's price up. Market sentiment and investor behavior. What's going on behind the scenes, exchange listings, partnerships, and adoption? Should you jump in now or wait? Risks versus rewards. There's a lot to unpack, so grab a seat, and let's get into it. The Pi Network is making waves in the crypto market with an astonishing 108% price surge in just one day, pushing its current price to $1.41. This massive rally has caught the attention of investors, driving trading volume up to an impressive $79.84 million. As buying pressure continues to mount, speculation is growing that Pi's momentum could lead to even bigger moves ahead. With more investors jumping back in, excitement around the project is reaching new heights. However, the big question remains: is this surge sustainable, or are we witnessing short-term hype? Why is Pi pumping? One of the biggest drivers behind Pi Network's explosive growth is the unlocking of its ecosystem through the open network, which allows for seamless integration into the broader blockchain world. This development has sparked renewed excitement, as it brings Pi closer to real-world adoption and usability. Unlike many speculative tokens, Pi Network is focused on building a truly inclusive and utility-driven cryptocurrency, giving its users more ways to engage with the network beyond just holding the token. Additionally, the increasing adoption and rising transaction volume within the Pi ecosystem are fueling confidence among both holders and traders. More businesses and platforms are beginning to recognize Pi as a viable digital asset, leading to a stronger foundation for long-term growth. As demand surges and liquidity improves, investors are speculating that Pi's value could continue climbing, making it one of the most closely watched tokens in the market right now. However, with rapid price movements, it's crucial to analyze whether this surge is driven by fundamentals or short-term hype. What's next for Pi Network? As Pi Network's momentum continues to build, the big question on everyone's mind is: how high can it go? With an increasing number of investors jumping in and trading volume surging, many are speculating whether Pi will break past $2, $5, or even higher in the near future. While recent price action has been impressive, the long-term trajectory will depend on several key factors, including adoption, real-world utility, and sustained demand. One of the biggest signs that Pi might be entering a new phase is the growing conversation around mainstream adoption. Could this price surge signal the beginning of Pi becoming a widely accepted cryptocurrency for transactions, businesses, and decentralized applications? If the network continues expanding and developers integrate Pi into various use cases, it could position itself as a strong contender in the crypto space. However, experts caution that true, long-term growth will depend on Pi's real-world utility. While hype and speculation can drive short-term price pumps, sustainable growth requires actual use cases, partnerships, and a thriving ecosystem. If Pi Network successfully delivers on its vision of a decentralized, inclusive financial system with tangible applications, its potential could extend far beyond these initial price spikes. But if adoption stalls or major developments slow down, there's always the risk of a pullback. For now, all eyes are on Pi's next moves. Will it sustain this rally, or is a correction on the horizon? The coming weeks will be crucial in determining whether Pi Network can turn this momentum into long-term success. Market sentiment and investor behavior. The current market sentiment around Pi Network is overwhelmingly bullish, with excitement surging as more traders and investors jump in. The 108% price spike in just one day, coupled with a massive increase in trading volume, suggests that confidence in Pi's potential is growing rapidly. Many investors who had previously been on the sidelines are now buying back in, fearing they might miss out on a larger rally. This fear of missing out, FOMO, is playing a significant role in driving up demand, leading to increased volatility as more participants enter the market. However, while enthusiasm is high, not everyone is convinced. Some skeptics believe this surge could be short-lived, fueled mainly by speculation rather than strong fundamentals. They argue that without clear utility, Pi's price could face significant corrections once the hype dies down. Despite these concerns, long-term supporters remain optimistic, betting that Pi's ecosystem will continue to grow, solidifying its place in the crypto space. What's going on behind the scenes? Beyond the price action, major developments are taking place that could have a lasting impact on Pi's future. Exchange listings, strategic partnerships, and increasing adoption are all contributing to the recent surge. While Pi has primarily operated within its closed ecosystem, discussions about broader exchange listings have sparked excitement, as greater accessibility could bring in a wave of new investors. Additionally, partnerships with businesses, developers, and blockchain projects are helping to expand Pi's use cases, increasing its value beyond just speculation. If more merchants and platforms begin accepting Pi as a form of payment, it could drive sustainable demand, making it a legitimate competitor in the cryptocurrency space. Another critical factor is the growing adoption of Pi's ecosystem. With the open network unlocking new possibilities, developers can integrate Pi into decentralized applications, DApps, NFT marketplaces, and smart contracts, further embedding it into the blockchain economy. If adoption continues at this pace, Pi could transition from a speculative asset to a real-world digital currency with tangible use cases. The big picture. While Pi's recent rally is impressive, its long-term success will depend on whether it can deliver on its promises. Investor enthusiasm, exchange accessibility, and real-world applications will be key drivers in determining whether Pi can sustain its growth or if this is just another temporary price surge. The next few weeks will be crucial, as the market watches to see whether Pi Network can turn hype into lasting value. Pi Network is shaking up the crypto world with its explosive price surge, and this could be a major game-changer. With a 108% increase in just one day, skyrocketing trading volume, and growing adoption, it's clear that something big is happening. But the real question remains: is this a golden opportunity for long-term gains, or just another temporary pump driven by hype? Many investors are debating whether to hold, sell, or buy more Pi as the market reacts to this sudden spike. Will Pi continue its upward trajectory and break new resistance levels, or will it face a pullback as early buyers take profits? The answers lie in key factors like market sentiment, exchange listings, and real-world adoption. I want to hear from you. What's your strategy? Are you holding onto your Pi, cashing out while the price is high, or doubling down and buying more? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and let's discuss where Pi Network is headed next. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more updates. See you in the next one.